Guys, I just got out of the shower and I'm trying the new R&Co curl line. So I used Cassette, their shampoo and conditioner for curly hair. I really liked them. They smell really yummy. They have the Relative Paradise scent from R&Co, which is my favorite. They make a fragrance spray that I keep in my car and in my house. I spray it everywhere. So it smells really good. Felt really nice and silky even. It's like sopping wet. It's like totally dripping on me right now. I put the conditioner, I shampoo like regular, and then with my conditioner, just kind of rake through, detangle a little bit, and sort of squeeze it up in the shower. Then I get out of the shower with my sopping wet hair, as is right now, and I just go through and like squeeze. Usually, I make sure I have a towel on the ground underneath me because it's like dripping water everywhere. So I just kind of encourage those curls. I usually use a towel, ideally like a microfiber towel or a t-shirt is good, but I don't really notice on my hair a difference of it getting fuzzy if I use a towel, so. I still want my hair to be really wet before I put any product in. Then I get my product, so we'll see how I like this turntable. I think it has the same scent. Yes, Relative Paradise. Woo. I'm probably just using this. I'll see how it feels in my hair. Sometimes, you know, I can tell if I'm putting it in, it doesn't really feel as slippery on my hair, I'll add more. So we'll see. It's pretty nice and silky, but it's definitely thicker than some of the products I like to use. There's my dog barking. Veronica. Okay, back from my break. All right, now that I've squeezed out some of that moisture with the towel, I'm gonna put in my curl product. So I'm using the Turntable Curl Defining Cream. I'll show you guys how I apply it. So whatever I'm using, I really emulsify it through my hands and make sure it's all spread out. And I start to sort of flip my head to one side and I kind of just glide over the outside. I keep most products off my root area. Sometimes I go back through with residual in my hands and just sort of like feather it up there, but I don't want to weigh any of that down. So kind of glide, I don't squeeze yet, then I flip and just sort of glide over without pulling my curl. Just make sure I sort of glide on the So, yeah, this stuff smells delicious. It feels good. We'll see how it does. My hair can get kind of frizzy, but I don't have super small curls. I'm really excited to see. I'm gonna check back in a little bit later once my hair is dry and let you guys know how it's going. It's been about, I think like 4 hours. My hair is totally dry now. I haven't touched it at all. I like to just let my hair dry without doing any scrunching. I feel like it gets way frizzy when I do that. So, you guys, I'm loving kind of what I do when I break up my hair. I love this stuff. My hair is moisturized, it's shiny, it's not crunchy at all. I didn't use a ton. I showed you guys how much I used, but I don't feel like I'm frizzy or anything. So I'm really digging it. And yeah, what I normally do, just kind of like scrub through my roots a little bit. Don't bring my hands through the ends and just kind of like fluff it up. Kind of find my part wherever I feel like I want it for the day. Again, Turntable Curl Defining Cream from R&Co, their brand new curl line. And like I said, I used the shampoo and conditioner too, which I really loved. So yeah, good job R&Co. You did my curls good. That wink was really cheesy. Are you trying to intro my filming? She wants to be a star. Do you want to be on YouTube?